That was very, very strange. My internet just like cut out. If that fixes itself when my fucking internet comes. Many fips. Many fips. Let's get rid of this one so we can actually see where the opening gap one is. This is so strange. My internet is being so shit. Ah, it's so annoying. Okay, we touched the midpoint of the daily VI, and then a 5-minute gap. This could be nice. A 5-minute VI. Go through. I think I am trusting along here though. Kind of a late entry. Fuck it. Don't think there's any way I can get a better entry. Other than just waiting, I guess. See what it does. Okay, let's go on. To see, like, the 5-minute VI might fuck me, but who knows? Haven't gambled a open session in quite a while. Yeah, it looks like it's not going to go in my favour, to be honest. My 5-minute time frame is just wrong. We love that. Okay, so I'll put stop like here. It is going to stop me, but I did think it would go through the 5-minute VI because it respected the daily VI midpoint like perfectly. That's fine. Look, it didn't even like show that it's gone into the 5-minute VI. What is up? What is wrong with Top Step? Whatever. Respecting the 5-minute gap again. So now we have this huge wick. Okay, yeah, my eyes are definitely towards opening gap now. Opening gap C. I just want to see if I can get a entry off this 5-minute inversion. Or if we just nuke through it and I just missed the entry. Okay, so we'll take it down. And okay, for opening up CE. It's actually Oh, I need to get rid of this line. That's not important. We'll take a partial on the midpoint of this fair gap. Like I said, my bias is short and I tried to long, but the structure of the right says is what it is. Sometimes I just get baited out by structure. Ugh. Digging up quite far into that fairway gap, but it is NFP. What did I get reversed on? Interesting. I guess the 5-minute VI and fairway gap. That is interesting though. Didn't expect it to reverse though. Really wouldn't expect it to reverse though. Yeah. Happens on NFP. That's why I don't trade NFP. If you're like trying not to gamble. You're just gonna leave like this huge 15-minute wick. Yeah. I guess so. Forgot I left limits on. So that's the 5-minute wick, see? Yeah. Okay, my 1 minute is just wrong because we're probably above this gap. Yeah. I mean, like, I actually don't know why it reversed off of that instead of going for opening cap CE. Hmm. I thought it did at least. I guess it is equal those. So sometimes I just get it wrong, especially on like NFP day. Ooh. It's the body's disrespected, but now like watch it nuke down. Oh, my chart's frozen. Great. And now the page isn't refreshing. Yo, let's go. Actually, first losing day. Because this might not be recoverable. Who knows? Still respecting this 5-minute work. CE of it anyway. This is nice how it does the sweeping highs and still respects the 5-minute. But this reversal just threw me off completely. Why would it reverse if it's gonna continue going down? Other than the fact it's NFP week. Which could be enough for itself. Okay. Very 50-50 structure. We could either blow through this or respect it. Just because I don't know which draw it's going to take. Because it's just chopping and giving a reason for both. Not exactly any confidence for either side at the moment. I guess there is more confidence for long because it's respecting this, respecting the 15-minute. And then just for short side, it's only respecting this 5-minute wick. Oh, just for sell side, sorry. It's just respecting this 5-minute wick. See? But it has broke through like this feather eye gap. And obviously respected the 15-minute VI. And this 1 minute. Okay, respected this as well. Do I chase the long? Actually, there is volatile drop. Okay. Is my chart frozen again? Okay. Actually, still respecting the 5 minute. Oh, that's ridiculous. What is this candle? Why is that candle a thing? That's actually funny. I'm guessing it hit CE of this. Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna chase along though. What is this chop? Okay. So it's gonna end up respecting the 5 minute wick. Oh, I probably shouldn't delete it just in case it goes back up there. Okay, back in the daily VI midpoint. We have to see if this massive wick here. It's just down here. Okay, I will take a short in that gap. Okay, it's just not gonna fully enter it. Come on. But do I want to? Because in the fucking daily VI. Yeah, fuck it. Whatever. Yeah, it's just like slightly more confidence because it's broken down. But I am trading chop, to be honest. I am definitely trading chop. Da, da, da. I get rid of the opening FC. I did, so my bad. I have to go back and add it. Okay, good now. If I get chopped up today, that's fair enough. It's just good proof of concept to not trade NFP. But from experience, NFP days are slightly tradable, so I always take the risk. Stop will be here. I don't think I need to mark that. I'll just use my eyes for that. Okay, realistically, this is not what I want. I want price to not be pushing through the fair value gap. That's why 15. What the fuck is that candle? Hello? Sure. Yep. I'm actually a market maker. Don't worry. Yeah, I put that candle there. I actually don't know what just happened. What? Oh, it looks so bad. That looks so lucky. I mean, it is. I don't know what that candle is. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually God's gift. Sure. I mean, it hit the CE of the 1 minute, which is, yeah, what I was hoping it would respect. Seeing as it was digging up. Who knows, man? It could still reverse, because, like, I don't know what that candle was. That didn't look real. Yeah, I don't know. But now I could put my stop, like, a little bit lower. I don't want it to break that high. Okay, so that's upper quartile of the opening gap. Okay. It really doesn't want to go with speed today, does it? Yeah, that's valid. I should have a partial there because it's in the 15-minute fair value gap. Upper quarter of the opening gap. I should have at least had a partial there. Expecting a reversal off the 15-minute gap. It's not bad. Very poor trading today. Can I stop dragging this fucking... Yeah, very poor trading for me today, actually. I just wasn't expecting it to reverse off of this. I was expecting to inverse this gap, this 15-minute gap, because it's the gap made by NFP. I was just expecting it to reverse it. Okay. Damn. So looking like my first losing day, unless 10 o'clock's nice to me. Unless 10 o'clock is nice to me. Let's see. Um, so really just digging up into this gap. It is. That's quite funny. That's NFP for you though. Large digs into gaps that you would normally expect it not to dig back into. Now if I don't get an entry off of this, I'm going to be very upset, but that is just NFP. That is very much NFP. And it's giving us this chop, which is just like giving us gaps where it's like, oh, we could actually rebound off of this. And it's very likely it does rebound off of it. And then reverse it like 5 minutes later. Likely not getting a entry. Um, I've marked this this wick because I want to see like how much it's willing to dig. I don't know what I trust. I mean, surely it's a short. Yeah, it respected the CE. Okay, let's see. Do I get stopped out again trying to go for this? I mean, definitely potentially. But it's not making highs. And it is making lows. So I'm just going to trust it even though it is actually chop. I'm just going to trust it. I don't think there's 10 o'clock news, but there could be because I didn't check. There is. Oops. Well, you could say we get absolutely fucked by this news, which would be quite funny. But again, just trusting the short. It looks like the most likely draw. But news can do what news wants to do. Looks like it's gonna respect that VI. Yeah, fuck, I went to 5 more. This is a fresh account, so this is why I don't mind throwing it away, because it's not like an account I've built up a buffer on. Of course it didn't respect the VI. Fuck, man. Oh well. Don't trade shop. I don't trust an FP. Okay, well, unlucky. I tried it. Oh, I didn't even click the button. I'm actually the worst trade to ever do it. Ah, that's what I get when I try to gamble in FP. Especially with large contracts. I mean, you could just like reverse it and just go long to the daily fair value gap. Okay, so yeah, just respect to the 50-minute fair value gap and upper quartile the opening gap. I mean, fuck, I might as well just like full send it until we either blows the account or make it back. 87. Yeah, I guess this is buy model. So maybe we actually get a second phase. Second phase would be like this gap. Or second phase could have been this, to be fair. It could just leave us. Let's see if we get an entry into this gap. That gap's not even in. Interesting. I guess it's just going to send off. Leave it as a breakaway. That is actually strong. Gap's not in discount, which is surprising. Do we take it anyway? Probably should have. What am I trying to get rid of? This daily VI. Don't need anymore. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah, gap's on discount, but it is reversing the other gaps. So, fuck man, I've already made tons of mistakes today. We'll just change price as well. Up there, go for CE. Take off. 9. You are just going to see me full send this account into the ground or the profit. Because why not? NFP, bit of gambling for the weekend. Bit of gambling for bank holiday weekend. Although I don't think it's a US bank holiday. And if it is, I definitely shouldn't be trading, but does that tell us? It's not, because that is Monday, right? Yeah, that Monday's the 1st, so it's not a bank holiday Monday for the US. Breaking this height isn't the best, I'm not gonna lie. I will tape even if it's just like a shit entry. Is there anything I should be like wary of? No, it just looks like a clean draw. Other than like this could be Data ICT. Ooh, it kind of is. Oh no. Does it really draw? Like, oh, hello. To the quarter of the open gap and then to Data ICT, even as Roger respected it today. Doubt it. But it's NFP, I don't know, I'm trying to predict anything. Okay. Time to actually proper gamble and add 10 more. Oh, you know, this is gambling. This is real gambling. You grab a fresh account and you send on NFP. It's just chop. I wish there was like new people in the chat who'd actually think I'm the worst trader to ever exist. Actually top blasting on 20 contracts. Micro. Oh, good times. Okay. Okay, so going back to yesterday, right? So my price target is above a minor buy side, right? So I want to see it continue to rip through the minor buy side. You know, this is why I put my stop really close. So I do want to see it continue to rip through. And I need to remind myself, what is this? Is this just... Okay, so that's for the daily wick. Okay, so that'll be upper quarter of the daily wick. It doesn't look like it's going to continue ripping through, which is sad. Unfortunate. He just wanted to take the buy side, I guess. Oh well. He tried to gamble a fat trade. Happens. Why? Okay. It's fine, it's just because the 1 minute was frozen. I just expected more continuation for it to reverse, but I guess it can just take the minor buy side. You could have more continuation, but like, why would it come back down? I'll respect this gap. NFB's actually trolling me. That would be CE. Meanwhile, my chart is still frozen. Okay. If we do get more continuation, I have to use this as an inversion. But yeah, it's respecting. I guess you would have a 2022. Like it's not a good 2022. At all. You'd be aiming for that though. Assuming you wanted to respect that VI as well. Okay. I would have liked to have my 20 contracts on, but you know, it came back down. Stopped us out. I should have added another 10 here. Damn, to get my 20 on. Damn, I should have added another 10. Oh, I'm just being slow. That's fine. I don't want to see it. Yeah, okay. I was going to say, I don't want the previous candle to close below that high, because it doesn't show like a continuation. But this candle's red anyway, so. I want this to at least respect CE of that. and then make a new high. Should be this candle. I'll put stop just below C. This. Okay, well now it can just be CE of this candle. I was going to add another 10 on this VI if it touches it. But I don't know if it will. And because I do want to see it dig into the fair value gap, I'll put my first partial above 1 billion contracts right now. It's so tempting. It's so tempting. It is very tempting. This is why I don't scale, man. It feels like trade like multiple accounts. Well, I guess it's not multiple accounts because it's just a different account. I'm just like, oh, I can risk it. I can just full send every other account. I don't want to close over this gap. I'll be real. Where is the CE of this? Cool, perfect. Another 10? I'm taking another 10. I'd never 10 there. Oh man. Doesn't want to respect it. Dude, just let me get a 20 contract trade, man. Just let me get a 20 contract trade. Light work. Give me the free money market. Okay, give me the free money. Inverse gap. Come on, inverse it. Oh man. Dude, just let me get like a 9 million contract TP, man. You didn't. Oh, sad. Sad, sad, sad. Where is it digging to now? Because like, it generally looks like it wants to go for this daily fair value gap. I'm just getting chopped. Okay, now it's not respecting anything. Huh. There's a chance. Well, I'm just gonna gamble it. It's only a fresh account. This happens when I don't trade for 2 days. I just start gambling. Gotta run to work. It's fine. I'll show you the TP when I hit a 50 contract trade. I'll be very angry if you enter it again. Relax, relax. It's not the account I've been trading for the past month. Okay, but like 5-minute sell model? Can we finally reverse this shit? Okay, right, look, just because you have to go to, I don't know if you've left or not, but we'll just fucking, hold on. Let's see. Should be discount gap. Yeah, okay, 20 contract short. I don't know if you've left or not yet, but that'll be the final one. Though 7 grand TP, never in my life. Why are you trying to? Because it's just funny. Oh, it's not combine. It is funded. It's just like a fresh account, like it's freshly funded. Like I don't have an entire buffer on it. Doesn't look like it wants to give it to us anyway, so it might close the account. RIP. Not my account. So I reckon it just chops the rest of the session now. Because it didn't want to show speed to the downside. But who knows? If NFP week, anything's possible, I guess. It was mainly just the draws that threw me off today. Like, I was stupid and I didn't put a partial on the upper quartile of the opening gap. Because it was in a 15-minute gap. I was just expecting more from the market and it went to, yeah, there we go. There we go. Yup. GG. -1 funded. So we get it back like next week. There you go. That's how fast you can blow an account. I mean, you know how fast you can blow an account, but that's what you do when you try and gamble NFP. What is this? What is it even reversing off of? That's the real question. Like, why? Don't know. NFP shenanigans, bro. GG. Well, have a good day at work, mate. Yeah. Why? What did it reverse off of? I'm so confused. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna blow the account, so I'm like extremely leveraged, right? That's a given. But I just want to see if I can find what it even reversed off of. Hmm. Fair enough, I guess. Fair enough. We still have the funded, that's what matters. Wait, oh, it was a combine. How am I still blind? It was a combine. Okay, yeah, so now you're gonna go for the fair value gap, but like, why? Off of what? Why dig down? Why dig down? To well, don't know. NFP shenanigans, right? Okay, well, that was a good gambling day. First losing day, NFP, of course. But the loss is on a different account, so doesn't count. I'm joking. It was a losing day. But yeah, don't trade NFP. Lesson for today. And I'll see you. Well, I'll be streaming on Monday, maybe. Depends on how long I stay with you, Lucas. Yeah, maybe I'll see you Monday, maybe Tuesday. Peace.